Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Dr. Asmai. We are from Group C of AP12640 and today we would like to present our findings for the subject Building Science and Environment. Our topic is about measurement of noise, where we will explain how sound levels were measured using a sound level meter along with the source of indoor noise and its possible impact. Before we begin, allow me to introduce myself. I am Putri Sharlina binti Abdul Majid, and with me are my teammates.
Hello, my name is Nur Aimaisara binti Umar Anwar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Atika binti Muhammad Syafi'i.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Idris.
So this is the contents that we're going to go through in this slide. First, introduction, location, tools and equipment, root procedure, result and discussion, conclusion and recommendation. Okay, what is measurement of noise? As you can see in this slide here, noise measurement is actually a process of quantifying the level of sound in an environment using a sound level meter. By measuring noise level, we can assess whether a certain environment is too loud or within acceptable limits set by standard. So in short here, noise measurement is actually help us identify how loud an environment is. Using a sound level meter, we can check if the noise is within safe and acceptable limit, especially in sensitive area like workplace, school or prayer hall. And noise measurement is actually important to help us control the noise pollution, because noise pollution can have negative effects on human health, such as stress, loss of hearing, and loss of concentration, and many more. So, measuring noise helps us determine whether an area is exposed to harmful sound level that can harm people. Next, I want to explain about source of noise. Actually, there are so many sources of noise in both outdoor and indoor. For example, outdoor sources include traffic, construction, or aircraft noise. But in our case study, we focus more on indoor. Like you can see in this picture here, it came from human activity, like for example, the conversations between people, the mechanical movement, the sounds of fan, electronic device, the sound of microphone, and environmental sounds, and many more. So for the location, we chose to carry out this noise measurement test at Pusat Islam of ITMC Iskandar Perak, specifically in the main prayer hall. And we chose this location due to its natural expectation for a low noise environment. And during the observation, various sources of noise were recorded, such as the sound of people entering the main hall prayer, the sounds of imam making azan, the conversations between people, the sounds of fans and aircon being switched on, the breaking, and the sounds of opening of door. Yeah. So this variety of sounds that were recorded allowed us to measure different noise levels during both quiet and active moments in that whole prayer.
Okay, now we talk about the tools and equipment. We have three equipments. Firstly is sound level meter. The sound level meter was measure sound loudness. Okay, the second is measuring tape. Measuring tape was function to measure length or distance. Okay, the third is tripod. Tripod must hold the equipment steady to not fall the equipment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Atika binti Muhammad Syafi'i. Today I want to present work procedure for noise measurement. First, we must to prepare the equipment, which is sound level meter, and ensure it is calibrated before we use it. Second, choose the location for measurement based on the source of noise or required assessment area. Third, we must to hold the sound level meter at ear level height about 1.2 meter from the ground and keep it away from the body to avoid reflection. After that, start Start the measurement by pressing the start or record button. Let the meter record the sound level. Leave the sound level meter for 30 minutes and record all movements that produce sound within that 30 minutes. Take the result every 5 minutes.
Hello, my name is Naima Sarah binti Muhammad, and in this slide, I'm going to show you guys the result of the sound measure. In the table, we got time, SPL in unit dBA, and remarks, sound of the source. So, we collect the data in 30 minutes. By every 5 minutes, we collect the data of the remarks, source of the sounds. So the average SPL in this time, we got 67.0 dB. In this slide is the discussion. The data shows that the average sound level measured in the area was approximately 67 dB. In this level is considered a moderate level, higher than a quiet office or the library, but in our case study, we do it in the Pusat Islam. Next, range of the value recorded. Minimum we got 55.6 dB and the maximum we got it 70.5 dB. The reason for the high recording is of the sudden short-lived activity such as book type combined with running, human walking past, and also activities generate sharp noise peak due to impact and the movement. Thirdly, reason for lowest reading occurred when a AC and fan were turned on, which is we got the data 5.6 dB, producing a steady background noise without sudden impact. Second, other lower reading around 57 to 63 dB were linked to slow working or like our conversation, showing that typical background noise stay moderate unless interrupting louder action. And lastly, discussion about source of higher SPL value, mainly caused by human activities, walking, talking, running, closing the door, which is normal in public, semi-public indoor spaces. Thank you.
Okay, now we talk about the conclusion. Conclusion of sound level is a sound meter accurately measure the intensity of the sound delivered. The second used for safety. It helps monitor noise to prevent hearing damage in workplace and public area. Yes, the third is easy to use. Most sound level are portable, use-friendly, and provide instant reading. Okay, now the discussion of the sound level. Firstly, function a sound level detect to measure sound level indirectly. And the second is application. It is used in school, factory, and public place to control noise level. The third is importance. Help to ensure environment stay within safe noise limit to protect hearing.